Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable zoom in basic gestures voice control on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, scroll down again and go to physical and motor section and then tap the voice control. Then in this part in the voice control, go to this section and then tap the customize commands. Then after that in the customize commands, find and tap the basic gestures. And then in the basic gestures, find and tap again the zoom in. And then in the zoom in, as you can see that it is already enabled. But you have to activate also the switch button under the confirmation required to fully enable the zoom in your basic gestures until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button just like this. And that's it, we have successfully enabled and disabled zoom in and basic gestures voice control on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!